Hello. Oh, good day to you, wherever you are in the world. Hope it's good in. Ah, I see. Oh. we doing? I need to lie in this morning. Oh, and it's not helped. Not helped at all. Oh my word. Oh. Yeah. We're working today. Our game jam. Game. If we could first of all type it in the correct box. Daydreaming, sorry. Told you it was early. Right, so we've now got some visual indications of various things that hopefully may or may not be useful to the player. In the process of setting that all up, it's not functional. This is just literally a container for all that individual field values. And we'll just call the values and set them up as whatever. And then maybe in not sector map, yes. Map, yes. Yes. Sector map. Link that in there. I have just fought, to be honest. Right, map screen. Got on point to click, but maybe we want pointed down instead. Be able to move it around. Where would we not have that go through all instances? Deep. It's capture down, up, move. Makes things a little bit more awkward. Deal with that another time. When we need to. Just want to have that quick play of Star Raiders just to show off its features when you're on the map. You can click and hold to move it around. And then you have a little zoom window, so you can see a bit more closer what's going on there. That's like polish more than anything. Really need to focus on functionality. And we have some values that we need, like these need to be updated. Again, we're just gonna do it in here. That's the best way. Four. Let's see, we've got maximum ring. Charge. Fuel remaining. Let's do it in kilometers, I guess. Just to help size. Yeah. Ugh. Hold down after warp. And all right. Boy. Was that a delta value? Yeah. Ugh. Open an app once after many years, and then you get nothing but notifications from said app by never using said app to order anything through it. Right. Recharge status. And why have I got that as a delta? B. Is that not a better way to express? We now have Oh no. That's all we need. Oh, are you? Oh, we could just throw it in as that. Okay, yes. We will do that then. Yes, perfectly fine. Ha 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 ha. The waypoint, isn't it? Just waypoint. Now with this. What? Oh yeah, it's right in front of my face. But if it's placed, all that. Otherwise, let's do this. Blah, 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 blah. That means oh yeah. This get well positioned. Yes. Uh, now what's wrong with you? You want a float? It's really be a double, just in case. You just hate it when you get migraines behind your eyes. Oh boy. Mm-hmm. Thanks for the reminder, though. Always good for the reminder. Oh, it's like that, is it? Not until the last session. Right. I'll get our distance in kilometers. What else? You're required. Right, we'll work how much fuel, consume fuel. Alright, this is how much fuel is required. Really? Jump distance, how about that? Jump distance. Just take this. Oh, if has a destination, then we do that. Otherwise, return 0. There is no destination. Okay. Dominoes. We have no destination. Fuel, distance, destination. All good. And then there's the, can we jump to the nearest base? Is it a level manager? Something like... infinity. If distance is less than the closest distance, distance, and return our closest distance that we have. A little bit easier to read. Again, volume. Crazy times. And then we'll just have some magic number. If, like, 20,000? Then, well, about 25 or something like that. Let's see. What garbage it spits out. If anything. Come on. Errors? There's no such thing as errors. Oh, of course. Always has to be something. What is it? It's points of event. Is that using? Is it a Unity thing? Unity engine and events systems? Events, maybe? We'll get there. Maybe. One day. At least this makes a little bit more sense. What is this silly little warning? Unreachable code detected. Fine, just because you got in the way of listing errors, I'll submit to you. Now let's just not look at all the warnings inside Visual Studio. We'll be fine. Well, despite being a jumbled mess between flight hood and background, we can at least do I'll do it to 2 decimal places. About 0. Now maybe pay attention to what file we load. We don't need it in focus, we want it maximized. Maximum viewing pleasure. What? Did I do it again, or have I corrupted the file? What? Oh. Oh, dummy. What's going on? We're in custom mission. Level editor. I don't know if it's that. Why are we in the custom mission? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hmm. And now it's not even aligned. Right, top corner. So we got jump drive charge 2%. I guess that would be 200%. But with can't do basic math. Jump range 2. Am I just like what? Please. What are you doing? Or is that not 2 decimal places? Come on, voice. Come on, expensive microphone. Come on, stupid OBS settings. I exist, therefore I am. And it goes, well, my value is value tags. No, you don't want to show it in there. Da, 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 da. 2%. What is that? I need to do that. While we're here, there we go. I'll keep it in place now. See. we got this. Right, yeah, that's what you will be. And you. Let me just do that. New line. Now, if we move, and there we go. See, coordinates are being changed there. What coordinates are there, right? Yeah. See how much fuel is required, so jump, and I see the drive is charging. And why is this not really aligned properly still? Just don't play it on an ultra wide screen, thank you very much. Because you're an idiot if you do. No. Sorry. Doesn't quite work for Scheme Deck. It's fine. Where's my normal one? There we go. And now, oh, because we've flown off the map, it won't do the line because, you know, it's like it's drawing off the map. Also, yeah, why is it not? Not drawing that, am I? Annoying. Get this big screen here. Big background. That's supposed to be drawn in front of everything else. still makes no difference. Still no difference. What's going on? The map is on that one. Green space. Herd. You. Same. $210. And a Q -1. Do I need to put that there for it to apply or what? No? Alright, well, a feature's not working as intended, but I'm just gonna leave that. Need to take a quick break. Be right back. Go check out. Oops. Oh dear me. Oh. No. I was thinking, let's just. Why is it not at liking that? We've got a canvas. Then this is another canvas. But then they're both in the map. Yet. Oh. Was it physical HUDs or was it not virtual? Yeah, fucking virtual, my friend. There we go. It just wasn't being displayed at all. We gotta figure out what is up with this noise gate. Well, it all set up. No matter what I set it to. It's never enough. Yeah. No. Just increase the hold time a little bit. Maybe that was it. Who knows? See, even when I'm talking like this, it's okay at times. But then, occasionally, they'll think, no, that's not an important word. We'll just not, you know, pick that up. Now the other thing is, why have we still got the problem on our map screen? Scale with screen size. Scale with screen size. Why can we not get you? Behave. To behave. To behave. To behave. To behave. Not doobie. To behave. Wow. See? I don't understand. Maybe I'm just cracking up. We're all saying here. Ha 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 ha. Alright. Yeah. Well, we sorted that. What we worrying about? We just fixed it. Why am I still in here? Is that layer? Don't believe me? Well, let's prove it. Rain, rain, rain. It's supposed to be a storm. What was been in England over the weekend? Storm Floris. Wet and wild, eh? Moderate. Oh. Slightly more moderate. up in Scotland. You got like thunderstorms in Italy and extreme temperatures over north of Portugal. Places I've never heard of. Like, the actual icon's like just flipping as the bird. That's hilarious. I love it. Alright, we are proving that we sorted our little issue out. There we go, that looks better. And then we'll just jump over here and we look, and if we didn't have transparency, it'd be perfect. Okay. Then we want to jump over there, and it's like, why does it say we cannot jump back to nearest base? We've got plenty of fuel. Oh. Yeah, that was a bit ill thought out. Oh, guys, bye, guys. There we go. So if we can jump within 25,000 meters of a base, then yes. Another base is less than. Oh, can jump to base. I think. Just have to waste our fuel. How much fuel? Fuel remain. Oh wow. All the jumps. Uh-huh. That's come on. That's not right. That should be a no now. Available range. Oh, after the jump. Shit. Yeah, we've not. So, jump drive. Fuel required to destination. Then we want to consider, can we actually reach there now? Available range, which is double range. After current jump. That would be fuel required to destination. And then I gotta do return remaining fuel times travel distance per unit. That's what it is, isn't it? We got available range after the jump. Available range. It's a little bit. So if has destination, then we do that. Otherwise, just return the available range because we're not jumped anywhere. I've got any destination set. So if then is Western available range jump plus that. Not right now. So we jump there, and this is our available range. And if the base is within that, plus 25,000 just for being in the area. Then, what else? Oh yes, we can jump back to base. Sure, it says. Then well, we'll land there, and it's still saying yes when it's light and well no. Ah, no. To wherever we're actually landing at. Either way, this doesn't matter because what was that in range? Forgotten. Oh yeah, can we actually get there? Well, let's just do this anyway. What do you return? Turn true. If we've actually got. Hello, Frankie. What are you looking at? Computer monitor? Mobile phone screen? I am working on a space game for a space game junkie jam. Words all difficult. Okay. So I'm currently just working on this map screen, which allows the player to jump around and engage enemies and make sure they can return back to base. Now, because I've just gone and made some compilation changes, it won't allow any input. I'm just trying to get an indicator to say, yes, you can still make it back to your home base after that jump you're about to make. Available range after jump. And then we're saying, what are we actually jumping to, rather than where we want to jump to, which doesn't matter either or. So our closest distance to the base from where we're jumping to. We've got fuel after that. Can we get there? That should work. Oh yeah, I've been making space games. Made a space combat dogfighter. Lightwing Commander as the inspiration, and then I started, after that one, my second title, one inspired more like Free Space and Independence War. So you fly Corvette ships rather than fighters, and fighting a range of small ships like fighters, gunships, up to frigates, cruisers and battle cruisers. Sort of punching above your weight a little bit, but not decimating the enemy. Sort of like a support craft. Supporting units against larger now and then. More tactical, yes, try to be more tactical. Open space, not so much, no. This project is me towards developing the mechanics towards a sandbox in space. As a little bit of a side project as I work on the A-Spec. Then this would be like, yeah, open space now, where I've got double precision. So from here, you see it's about 500,000 kilometers. So we've got 1 million across and then 1 million down. So what's that? Is that a 2 million kilometer grid of space? Where in Unity, if we're like, wait, oh no, it's even that really. It's gonna have to be 50, is it? So about that distance, I think, is about as far as you travel before you get floating point inaccuracies and everything wobbles around. And I handled that by keeping the player in the center of the world and moving everything else around. But now I want things to be existing beyond the player, 100,000 meter radius. So now we can eventually, like, so this is a civilian traffic. We just had a red blob of enemies there, but it jumped just in time. So we've got enemies who'll be moving around, and eventually they might get picked up on sensors. Depending where they spawn in from. They could even totally miss some sensors, like, so they're going up probably around that way. so they might appear on that base eventually. They've got little skip drives, so while they're just traveling on conventional engines, they will then jump a fair amount of distance for a bit of time to travel faster, and that can lead to ambushes, or you get into where they were, but by the time you reach them, you've jumped on a bit. Oh, there we go. Now we've got some enemies. Just the final spawn, was it? So these guys are likely to attack that sensor post. And when they attack and destroy that sensor post, then, oh, there you can see, it's gone. Gone, see? No more sensor post. Wait for the drive to charge. And then they'll carry on. Quite literally. Enemy spawn at top or bottom, and then make their way to the other side. And then the idea is that we'll jump around, intercept them, destroy them before they destroy too much of our assets in the civilian traffic. And then for the game jam, I'll just have it carrying on. Everything what was been lost is lost permanently until then the game over, where we either lose the main base, which is that one and that one, or the player dies. Yeah, I can jump right in there. Now, still not got jump back to nearest base, have I? I'm out of fuel there. I can't jump anywhere. But we'll jump here. Have a look at what they are. Another wave of enemies has jumped in. Right, I don't have enough to jump all the way there. We're going to land here. Just short. Oh, there we go. Some enemies. Question is, are they in range of the base to detect it? Or they detected us and engaging us? Well, let's just get some speed up. Ah, yeah. So it's actually the grid distance, isn't it? From there to there is 100,000 meters. So anything beyond, say, that grid would have issues with, like, collision. And also stuff wobbling all around. But because now this is using double precision, then the existing double precision world, and then only render the objects when they're like within 50,000 meters of the player, which works quite well. And we can see that they've been attacking this base, and I had been attacking it for a little while. I don't have any decent weapons. I've got all the bad weapons. When did that happen? The flight assist back on. So a lot of this is just literally taking what I've done so far for A-Spec First Assault, and then trying to get this double precision framework working with it, and it effectively is working now. There's only certain things that aren't working. I'll pull down there, but basically having enemies that can other objects in the world and interact with them that way is fully functional, whether I'm there to witness it or it's going on in the background. These guys will be attacking another sensor post. Will they jump out? I guess they'll be headed out. Where's jump distance? 2 kilometers. We can't. We've no fuel. Can't jump anywhere. Why have I not got a red line there at all? Yeah, so lots of polish required, but this has just been a prototype. I might release it as a small game after the gem. And then once I've finished A-Spec, I can have that in the next project, decide on there what it will be, whether it will implement this double position stuff. You see, yeah, like the AI is struggling a little bit because this so-called base, which I completely forgot, we can land at the base, so we've now considered to be landed, and then everything's still happening out there, so we could probably die in the base if I'd actually coded that, but we haven't, so that's something to make note of. I'll probably just throw errors when we try to launch, because we'll have nothing to launch from anymore. Let's see, main bases. Landed at base. If the base destroyed, player is landed at it. Player is also destroyed. Game over. Game over. The sensors like Elite. I've thought about it, but for me, the dock now. Yeah, there we go. Unceremoniously kicks you out. But that's like so many different radar styles, isn't it? All it is like tilting it like that. But it's an option. I just never considered it as a main priority, to be honest, because not many people have been interested in what I'm making. So it's like, just make it functional, polished like that, and then if enough people buy it, then it wouldn't make sense maybe at that point. But just the sake of doing it. No, not at the moment. More focused on actually trying to get them finished, other than constantly finding other features to add, which won't make a big difference. But yeah, I mean, as a usability option, makes sense to do. Well, I've got a visitor who's coming round now, so I'm going to have to wrap it up. Anyway, having a good night, having a quick chat with you there, Frankie. Not quite 2 hours, but and good luck on that game tech you're working on. I have to go now. Bye for now.